So I have done my graduation from Jesus and Mary College in English honors. And then I went ahead to pursue law. I'm currently doing the 3 years law course, that is LLB honors from GD Goenka University. First, I chose law because I was always interested in, getting to know about the basics of law. How, because law is something which is omnipresent. It comes in our daily life in some form or the other. So law had always attracted me as a subject. When it comes to judiciary, I have been a person who's always believed that I wanted to be in a people's interactive job, like something which keeps me, engaged with people at large. So to begin this journey in school, I used to run this educational program for underprivileged children. From that's where my interest, peaked when it comes to, like interacting with other people. So I've always wanted to do something which involves giving back to society. So I think judiciary was a very good medium to do that. And in second year of my law college only, I decided I'd want to take up judiciary and give the judicial exams. I mainly aim to give two states, that are Delhi and Haryana, since I live in Haryana. And I started my preparation from the second year itself, not very detailed or very extensive preparation, but small steps towards it. So yes, I joined the Law Seekho online course for judiciary preparation. I got to know about this course through certain emails I got from Law Seekho, and I called them up regarding the course. So yes, first and foremost, this law course is very well charted out and very well planned out. So, well, like when you're talking about accessing material and everything, the LMS system has been given to me. So I have access to that, and I'm able to access all material available, not of just the classes that I'm taking, but of all other law subjects which are important from the aspect of judiciary. Whether it be, the pre-recorded lessons or just notes or statistic, not statistic, but like general knowledge, everything is available to me on LMS, which is very helpful to me because I can go ahead with studying things other than what I'm already being taught. So it is self-paced and I have access to everything in one place. Till now, I have gotten live lectures for 3 subjects, that is constitutional law, CPC, and contract law. All 3 of my lectures have been going on really well. The classes range from 1 hour to 2 hours, depending on the subject and the slot allotted to us. And first and foremost, they are very interactive, so it is not very monotonous. Secondly, since it is a live lecture, my doubts are cleared there and then. We are told to, keep our bare act in front, and even if we don't have a bare act with us, it is available on LMS. They have been uploaded. So yes, those lectures are very well planned out. They're very informative. Every small detail from starting from the index of the bare act is taken into place. For example, one of the exercises we run in the classes is charting out the bare acts from, section 1 to however many sections there are, which is extremely helpful, I feel, for anybody who's preparing for these exams. Very honestly, I feel this is going to help me a lot because once I get the knowledge, whatever I've been taught, I try and do some objective questions to see how much I've understood. And in this 1 week, whatever I have learned, I have been able to apply. I am grasping at a good rate. And I feel this will help me a lot in the long run. And another, I think, plus point of this course is it's online. So I'm within the comforts of my home. And, it's a lot more easier for me to concentrate and, grasp as much knowledge as I can, instead of, going to a class, getting stuck in traffic and things like that, which just, already demoralizes you, you get tired. So this is very convenient for me, which is also another plus point.